Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to our session on the financial impact of abandon percentage in contact centers. In this presentation, we'll explore how abandon percentage directly influences costs, revenues, and long-term profitability. From lost sales and higher operational costs to the effects on customer retention and lifetime value, we'll analyze how abandonment rates can significantly shape your bottom line. Let's dive into the key financial consequences and understand the broader impact on your business. Let's begin with revenue loss, one of the most significant financial impacts of a high abandon percentage. In sales-driven industries such as e-commerce or telecommunications, lost sales are a direct consequence of abandoned calls. When customers abandon their calls, they often walk away without completing their purchases or signing up for services. This represents a missed revenue opportunity, as these potential conversions are lost in real time. Moreover, a higher abandon rate leads to lower conversion rates. The more customers who abandon their calls, the fewer opportunities there are to convert them into paying customers. Delayed response times or missed connections can push customers toward competitors, further compounding the loss of both immediate and future revenue. This loss isn't just about the one transaction, it often extends to long-term customer relationships that may have otherwise been established, further affecting the bottom line. Next, let's explore operational costs, which are heavily influenced by a high abandon percentage. One of the first indicators of a high abandon rate is the need for increased staffing requirements. Poor staffing levels or inefficient processes often lead to higher abandonment rates, prompting businesses to hire more agents or pay overtime to meet demand. This directly increases payroll expenses and overall operational costs. Additionally, the cost of missed SLAs is another financial impact of high abandonment. When abandonment rates rise, it often signals that service levels are not being met, potentially violating service level agreements, SLAs, or other performance commitments. This breach can result in penalties or fines imposed by clients in outsourcing contracts, or worse, reputational damage that could harm future business and revenue opportunities. Finally, higher cost per call is another outcome of inefficient systems. If agents aren't available to handle calls promptly, the overall cost of managing each call rises. This happens because calls take longer to handle or require repeat interactions, driving up operational costs even further. Now, let's discuss customer retention and lifetime value, two critical areas impacted by high abandon percentages. First, a high abandon rate often leads to customer churn. When customers experience long wait times or abandon calls, their dissatisfaction grows, eroding trust in the brand. This not only leads to higher churn rates but also drives up customer acquisition costs, as businesses must invest more in replacing lost clients. It's always more cost-effective to retain existing customers than to acquire new ones, which makes managing abandon rates even more crucial. The impact on customer lifetime value, CLV, is equally significant. Frequent abandonment reduces customer engagement with the brand, meaning they are less likely to make repeat purchases or continue utilizing services over time. This directly impacts the overall CLV, lowering the total revenue generated from each customer. On the other hand, reducing abandonment rates improves retention, boosts engagement, and ultimately increases the CLV, contributing to long-term profitability. Next, let's look at reputational damage, a significant financial consequence of a high abandon percentage. A high abandon rate directly impacts brand perception. Customers who face long wait times or experience abandoned calls often leave dissatisfied, leading to lower customer satisfaction, CSAT, and Net Promoter Scores, NPS. As a result, these customers are less likely to recommend the company to others, which can significantly hinder referrals and word-of-mouth business, two crucial drivers of new customer acquisition. When customers are unhappy with their experience, the negative reviews and feedback that follow can further damage the company's reputation. This reputational damage not only affects customer loyalty but also reduces the likelihood of new business, ultimately limiting potential revenue growth and business expansion. Finally, let's explore missed upsell and cross-sell opportunities, a critical area impacted by a high abandon percentage. Call centers are not just for handling inquiries, they also serve as prime opportunities for upselling or cross-selling additional products or services. However, when customers abandon their calls before completing transactions, these valuable opportunities are lost. As a result, businesses miss out on potential revenue, leading to a lower average revenue per customer. With a reduced abandon rate, these upsell and cross-sell opportunities can be fully realized, helping drive additional revenue per interaction and improving overall profitability. In summary, a high abandon percentage has far-reaching financial impacts. First, lost sales and conversion opportunities directly lead to revenue loss, as potential customers walk away before completing transactions. Second, increased operational costs arise from the need for more staffing, overtime, or potential penalties for missed SLAs, driving up business expenses. Third, customer churn and a lower customer lifetime value, CLV, have a long-term effect on profitability, as businesses face higher acquisition costs and reduced revenue from loyal customers. Finally, reputational damage stemming from poor service can significantly reduce future revenue streams, as customers are less likely to refer others or remain loyal to the brand. Addressing these issues and reducing abandonment rates can help turn these financial challenges into opportunities for growth and profitability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.